Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's not even noontime yet and my thermometer sitting over there in that bed says it's 91 degrees. It is truly hot. Yesterday was high 80s. It's been hot for several days. The nighttime temperatures are pretty hot and it's really hard to believe that it's still May. It's Sunday before Memorial Day. And it's hard to believe that my garlic has fallen over. And I pulled one out earlier to see how they were doing. And as you can see, they're already starting to split. So I broke the stem off getting it out, so I've got to dig them. But these garlic here, they're ready to be pulled out and get them drying. Oh, if you could smell fresh, straight out of the ground garlic. It is just heaven. And I'm not going to let the heat get these guys and split them up to where they don't store, because this is a mountain of garlic here. Now this is the Antillian Red, which is year in and year out. It's a favorite of ours. And the shorter ones up here are a Spanish variety that we tried, a Spanish Cajun variety or something like that. That's supposed to be a smaller bulb but be spicier, because we like some spicy garlic, but it's tough to do down here in Georgia because you don't have a lot of choices. So I'm going to shift the camera around and we're going to start digging up some garlic. This kind of heat, garlic will go from perfect time to too late very, very quickly. I'm going to have to get my towel off and make it brown in the sweat here. But as you can see, these guys are done. This is fabulous for Georgia. And they're smaller, but they're supposed to be smaller. Alright, we've switched sides. Now we're over here with the Spanish. I'll look up and see what they are and put in on the screen what these exact are. A lot of them are red. Cool looking. Wow, soil's harder on this side, don't know why. Still getting some nice size garlic out of them though, even though they are a little bit smaller. This is a 4-foot bed. 4 foot by 3 feet, I guess. Put in a lot of compost. starting to fall over, so they're about ready to pick. The potatoes are blights or whatever in the morning when it's a little cooler. There's a nice head. Okay, I've put them up here to get them started drying. These are the smaller Spanish ones I need to look up, Creole type variety. And then I've got 2 layers here, 2 racks with the Anchillian Reds, our favorite. Gives us a nice big garlic pretty consistently. So they'll be a while drying, but looks like we're going to be really pleased with the harvest this year. So even though it's early, if you're in the south, you better check your garlic and see if it's time.